What it do, YouTube? Back at it again with another video. Today, took out the wheels, 2 front wheels. For some reason, I'm hearing like clicking noises. I'm not sure if it's the sway bar hitting the control arm. That's the only thing I can think of, to be honest. So I mean, I did tighten down the sway bar length, tighten them down a little bit more just in case. Same thing on this side. I'm not sure if I have to go with a shorter end length. I'm not too sure, cause every time I like swerve left and right, like real quick, like, you know, it like makes noises. So I'm not sure if, like I said, if the sway bar hitting the control arm. Yeah, kind of questionable right now, to be honest. I got new tires on these OEM Type R wheels. I'm gonna get them replaced with the new ones. All right, we're back in the next day. I'm about to show y'all something real quick. This is crazy. So I got 8 tires here in total. So 4 wheels, 4 tires. Had to make some adjustments. Had to take out the passenger seat to make all this fit in here. Yep. Crazy, crazy, crazy. Hopefully I don't scrape. Look at that. That thing is already barely touching the fender. But hopefully not. We'll see. Goes the passenger seat. Damn, can't even talk. But yeah, it's about to be from a 20-minute drive to like 30-40 minutes. Cause I know I'm gonna drive slow, take my time. Especially with this type of load in the Teggy. So luckily I'm on coilovers, so it should hold up. You know, God's willing, get there safe and back. I'll keep y'all updated. On our way to change tires or replace the tires. Going like 40-45 with light traffic. So far so good. .45 on 5th gear. Take my time. No rush. And we're back in action. Got all the tires mounted. Can't really see. Got the new tires mounted. Shout out to Hector for helping me out, for looking out. Appreciate you, man. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Yeah, man, I think I'm gonna end it here. So obviously, well, let me get into some details. So I'm gonna go back on the OEM wheels. Long story short, I just wanna, okay, got distracted by a motorcycle. Anyway, long story short, I just want the Advans to, you know, take a little break. It's been on the car for like, oh fuck. Just yelled VTEC. I ain't got no VTEC, sorry. Like I was saying, that hectic. I want the Advans to, you know, take a little break. They've been on the car for about a year now. So yeah, it's time to take a little break, put the OEM wheels on for, I don't know, next time there's a car meet or a car show, whatever. I mean, I barely go to car meets now and car shows, so we'll see. All right, so we are back home safely, all thanks to God. So I'm gonna just go ahead and put the center caps back on. There you go, got the new tires. It's a little dark in here. Got my my flashlight from my phone. Yeah, all good. Fresh new tires. Now time to put back the put the passenger seat back on. Pretty easy. Easy lemon squeezy. Yeah, that was fun. A little sketchy, but it was fun though. So all good. Back home safe. New tires. Yes, sir. I'm gonna call it a night. You guys have a blessed night. Stay safe. Stay focused on your goals. And keep doing you. Have a blessed night.